Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so for BMNR, now I'm looking. Remember when we were here, or even here, I did tell you I'm expecting lower price. Last Friday, we kind of almost, or I think we touched bend on the previous low, or not near, something like that. Very, very close. And now the idea, once again, is that this was the top of the third wave. We had an A, a B, and now we're working to the C. Actually, to be more accurate, I do believe maybe this is more a W, an X, and a Y. And within the Y, we have an A, a B, and now we're making the C. This could be something that I'm looking. And this could be a 1, 2. Now this is going to be the third wave, and then the fourth and the fifth. By doing that, you can see that the 1-to-1 ratio of wave A, wave B would be kind of respected. Also, we would go a little bit lower of what this fourth wave should go. I have also another reading. This is just a big A, B, C. Now, I'm more inclined to say this would be just a wave A, and now we're working to the B, and then going for the C, and that's it. Will be more bullish. Anyway, for the moment, it's less likely that this ABC is making like a huge diagonal, and this would be just the wave 1 in blue. And now we're doing this A, eventually B, and a C, bring the price way lower. So $10.46, even $5 for a blue wave number 2. And then after that, we would do something like crazy for a third wave in blue. And then eventually, if he can give us a fourth and a fifth, but this is way, way speculative. And, people, how did they go and get $600 BMNR, which for the moment it's unrealistic. Let's say if you go there, I need to just readjust here because I touched prematurely. Okay, so I'm just taking the length of the wave, fictional wave A, and this I stop it at 0.618 at $10.46 for a wave 2. Then the third wave, I mean, this start to become crazy. We put here. You can see that, is it going to happen in 6 months? I don't think so. Impossible. I mean, this is like 100x, right? And ideally, it should go to $4,561 to reach a proper third wave. So this is why, honestly, I'm going to remove it now. And I don't believe already that if you can manage to do an A, a B, and a C, it's going to be amazing already. More than 10x. And this is quite a lot already. But to do that, you really need to go lower. I'm going to start to accumulate around $17, $18 a little bit, because that I like to be and do partial buys at several levels, Fibonacci levels that I believe where price can reverse. And when I do that, it's buying like a falling knife. I'm aware of it. That's why I buy small positions. And the more we go down, the more, well, for sure, when we reach the 0.618, this is at $10.46. We have previous resistance here. You can flip support. So, for me, it would be a buy level. Are we going to get there though? Don't know. All right. So this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys on BMNR. So for the moment, pressure is still to the downside. The bears are in control. Let's go and check the RSI. On the daily, is not even oversold. So you can see that there is room to go down. And this is why I'm expecting a lower price short term. Can we have a quick recovery? Yes. But once again, we need to be alert that maybe, you know, this was the A, now we are working into the B, and the C is still to come, and this is how we would do it. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can also join the Discord channel, where I do share my buy and sell movements, and I do updates when I don't have time to make video. Alright, have a good day, bye!